Morning, everybody. Steve here, Rake and Profit. Was going through my YouTube comments and saw a message from somebody pretty much saying, hey, I tried Amazon FBA for 2 years. Never again. They took almost 50% of my money through fees. And this person was pretty passionate about never selling on Amazon FBA again. And there's a couple things that I want to talk about because I think this is a great topic. And I believe, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. For some folks, eBay is going to be right for you. For others, it's going to be Amazon. For some, it's going to be fulfillment by Amazon by sending everything to the warehouses. And of course, there are some more fees. Or maybe you're going to merchant fulfill everything and pay a little less in fees, which really isn't much. But I want to discuss this topic because if you're a new seller and you're reading comments like this, you're probably thinking it's true. You're probably thinking, wow, Amazon is taking 50% of the fees, sometimes more. Like, how can you be profitable? Why would it be worth it? I'm going to sell on eBay if the fees are 13% or 14% and, versus Amazon 30 to 40%. But this is the big thing that most people are missing. And for the person who dropped this comment, I could almost guarantee based on this comment that you probably were messing with very low ticket items, because when you're dealing with, let's just say, books, right? Or even DVDs that are selling for $10, $11, $12, $13. Yes, they are going to take 50% of the fees. As you sell items that are more expensive, like $30, $40, $50, the fees typically come down to around 30% out the door, just as a general, estimate. Okay, so that's pretty much everything included. All your listing fees, your selling fees, storage, all that comes to around 30% at the end of the day when you get out of that low ticket area. Okay, so that's mistake number one. And there's nothing wrong with selling items for 12, 13, 14 bucks if you pay $1 and maybe they take 50, 60% in fees and you make $3 profit. But if you think about the time, which is the big factor, the time that it took you to be able to buy it, maybe you're at the thrift store and only took you, maybe you buy a bunch of items that are selling for 20 or 30 bucks that make you $9, $10 profit. But you buy this one book that maybe has a 12,000 rank, and yeah, you maybe only make $3 profit, but it only took you an extra second to buy it. It only took you an extra 30 seconds to list it and throw it in a box. And then if you're selling FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, they're doing all the work for you. So while the fees are more expensive, I tell this to people all the time. If you're selling on Amazon versus eBay, you have to change your mindset from thinking, well, what are the fees versus how am I leveraging my time? How am I leveraging my, I guess you could call it your hourly rate, what you earn per hour. At a typical job, maybe you'll make $20 an hour, $30 an hour, right? When you're selling on eBay, while the fees are a lot less, and I'm not here to trash eBay, I think it's, a good place to sell depending on your goals. And, there's certainly a lot of items you could sell on eBay that you won't be able to sell on Amazon, but maybe the fees are 13% on eBay to sell a specific item, but maybe you'll only make $5 profit, and it takes you, let's just say it takes you 10 minutes to go through the whole process of listing and then shipping and customer service. So, maybe you make, $5 in 10 minutes, but what if you make $3 on Amazon because they take more fees, but it only took you 2 minutes, right? So now you spent 80% less time and you made, a little bit less money. So if you could find plenty of inventory and source isn't an issue for you, then I would 100% sell on Amazon because you'll be able to scale and you'll be able to increase your hourly rate a lot more. And that's where people drop the ball. That's where people get it twisted, right? It's not just about fees. I don't give a damn about fees. If I can make $10,000 a month profit and spend 20 hours a week versus I only make $5,000 profit on Amazon or on eBay and I'm spending 60 hours a week, I mean, yeah, the fees are less, but I'm able to do a ton more volume. I'm able to scale my business. So yes, please, Amazon, please take my money. Why would I not want to give Amazon more money to deal with the fulfillment side, the customer service side, to deal with picking it and packing it and shipping it and, dealing with all the stuff that Amazon FBA does. So of course you're going to pay more of a fee. So again, I'm not here to trash eBay or say Amazon's better. I think it's, based on your goals and your vision and whatnot. But just remember, you're paying a higher fee on Amazon because they're providing a lot more value. It is what it is. Why do you go to a really, really nice restaurant with a higher quality, maybe cut of meat or whatever you're eating, right? Maybe going to a vegan place that's, 5-star, right? You're at a 5-star hotel. Why are you paying more? There's more value, and value comes in a lot of different forms, but you're paying more on Amazon for the value. They have a bigger marketplace. Customers typically pay more. And if you're using the fulfillment center on Amazon, they're providing way more value. They're allowing you to ship your inventory to their warehouses. They're storing it, yes, of course, at a fee. And of course, they are charging you a fee when you sell it, so on and so forth. But, you know, maybe you're making a little bit less money, which typically you're still making more, but even let's just say you're making less money, you're getting so much more value, you're scaling your business that much faster, and you're leveraging your hourly rate. So hopefully this helps. Let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you guys. Have a great week and much love, and talk to you soon. Bye.